Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now in this video we are going to search an element in doubly circular linked list. Okay, so for that purpose I have taken the function void search and we'll require one pointer, that is current pointer. I have taken here current pointer of struct node, as well as we'll require one variable that is called as item that will take value from user that called as element that we want to search in the given linked list. Also we want two more variables, one is flag and another is I, for displaying location of the element if found in the list. Okay, so we will start with the head. So first I'll copy the value of head in the current pointer. As we know that if we want to search an element in the linked list, first we have to check whether the linked list exists or not. Okay, so for that purpose I have added the condition, that is if current is equal to null and value of current is now head. So if head is equal to null मतलब head ही exist नहीं होगा, that means पूरी लिंक लिस्ट एम्प्टी ही रहेगी. ओके, सो सर्च करने का कुछ मतलब ही नहीं बनेगा. ओके, सो एट दैट टाइम वी विल प्रिंट list is empty and we cannot do search. Okay, so if this is not the case, means if linked list exists, then we have to accept the element from the user that we want to search in the linked list. Okay, so that will be accepted with the help of scanf function and stored in the item variable. Okay, so now consider that this is our linked list in which we want to search an element. Okay, now if head tends to data is equal to item, means suppose if we want to search an element that is the element present in the head node itself, then that this condition will be executed. Suppose consider the item text value 5. Okay, so head tends to data, so 5 tends to 5 is equal to item value is again 5. Okay, so if this condition satisfies, then we have to print the location of the found element, that is element found at location %d, and instead of this %d we'll print the value of I. So we have initialized first the value of I is equal to 0, but now we are at the head position, so instead of 0 we want to print the location of the element, and that location of the element is now 0 plus 1, so that is nothing but head's location. Okay, so 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So if searching element is head present at head position only, then it will print its location as 1. Okay, and we will again change the value of flag is equal to 0. Okay, so if this condition satisfies, means if searching element is present at the head location, then if condition satisfies, so it will not go in the else condition, so it will go out of this else, and the next statement from this else is if flag is not equal to 0. तो अभी तो flag की value हमारी कितनी है, we have set here the value of flag as 0, so this condition again does not satisfy, so it will come out of this if condition. and now if के आगे हमारा ये complete होता है else part, जो कौन सा else है जो हम चूज कर रहे थे नॉर्मली कि लिस्ट एम्प्टी नहीं होगा, तो उसका और ऑप्शन था हमारा, तो वो एल्स वाला पार्ट अभी इधर कंप्लीट हो गया. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो द लास्ट ऑफ अवर फंक्शन void search. ओके, सो मतलब अभी हमने दो कंडीशंस चेक किए. एक तो इफ एलिमेंट इज प्रेजेंट एट द हेड ऑफ द लिस्ट and if linked list does not exist. Okay, but if we don't have element present at head of the linked list, then what we can do, so we have to go for the next else part. Okay, so suppose we want to search an element. Suppose that element is 15. Okay, so instead of 5, here we will take the value of item as 15. So user have entered value 15. Okay, so now head tends to data is equal to item. This condition will not going to satisfy because the value of head is 5 and element entered by user is now 15. Okay, so 5 is not equal to 15, so it will come out of this if condition. Okay, so now else part. So in else, while current tends to next not equal to head, so अभी क्या करना है हमको, ये हमारा लिंक लिस्ट है, तो अभी एक हेड से कहाँ तक जाना है, लास्ट नोड तक, जहाँ पे लास्ट नोड इज नॉट पॉइंटिंग टू हेड. ओके, सो लास्ट नोड कैसे डिसाइड होगा, सो जब तक नोड का नेक्स्ट जो फील्ड है वो हेड तक पॉइंट नहीं करेगा तब तक हमें ये नीचे वाला टास्क रिपीट करना है. ठीक है. ओके, सो व्हाइल करंट टेंस टू नेक्स्ट नॉट इक्वल टू हेड, हमें क्या करना है, फर्स्ट टू लास्ट तक, हमें फर्स्ट नोड टू लास्ट नोड तक हमें जाना है. ठीक है. while comparing the value of item with data of node. Okay, so if current tends to data is equal to item, so first time this will be our current node. So here it will going to compare with head tends to data is equal to, so अभी तो ये है नहीं 5 is equal to item, तो ये satisfy नहीं हो रहा है, तो it will go in the else part and it will make flag is equal to 1. Okay, so अबे हमें एलिमेंट मिला नहीं क्योंकि करंट का क्या है हमारा, सो दिस इज अवर करंट नाउ एंड आइटम की वैल्यू कितनी है हमारी 15 है. सो करंट टेंस टू डेटा 5 इज इक्वल टू 15, कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो नहीं रही है, सो इट विल गो इन दी एल्स पार्ट. नाउ हियर विल सेट फ्लैग इज इक्वल टू 1. सो एलिमेंट मिला नहीं अभी, तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, तो नेक्स्ट नोड है उसमें एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट है क्या वो चेक करना है. ओके, सो आई विल इंक्रीमेंट द काउंटर of location, that is I plus plus, and also current will be current tends to next node. Okay, so here current will get updated with current is equal to current tends to next node. Okay, so here again it will go for the next iteration of while. So now current tends to next not equal to head, अभी ये चेक करेगा current tends to next not equal to head, अभी इसका हेड नल नहीं है तो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो रही है, सो इट विल मूव इनसाइड द लूप. इफ करंट टेंस टू डेटा, अभी हमारा करंट कौन सा नोड है, ये 10 वाला नोड है. ओके, करंट टेंस टू डेटा, सो इसका डेटा है अभी 10, आइटम की वैल्यू है अभी 15, सो इट डज नॉट सेटिस्फाई दिस कंडीशन. अगेन इट विल make flag is equal to 0. Okay, so again it will increment the counter by 1. So now value of I is equal to 2. Okay, and current will also get updated to current tends to next. Again it will go to check the condition of while. अभी एक condition satisfy हो रहा है, so it will move inside the loop. Now if current tends to data is equal to item, so 15 is equal to 15. So printf element found at location %d. Now value of I is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so here instead of %d it will print 3. Okay, and now this will make flag is equal to 0. Last time we have set the value of flag as 1 and it will break the while loop, so it will come outside this while loop. Okay, so after while loop we have the statement if flag is not equal to 0, but abhi value of flag is equal to 0, so it does not satisfy this condition, so it will come out of this if, and here this curly braces is for this else part. Here also it will complete the function void search. Okay, so at last we have got the element present at third location and it have printed its location. Okay, hope so you have understood what conditions we need to insert in the code while searching an element in the doubly circular linked list. If you have any queries, then please do comment, and if you like my videos, then never forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.